Hello, welcome to Storytime with the Adams County Public Library. My name is Mrs. England and I'm an elementary music teacher here in the county. I've been teaching now for almost 30 years, and in those 30 years, my kids at school and I have sung a lot of songs, danced to a lot of songs, we have played a lot of instruments, learned a lot about music, and just had a whole lot of fun. One thing I like to do with especially my younger kids is read books to them. And some of our favorites are those that we sing the story that goes along with a song that we know really well. So today we're going to sing Baa Baa Black Sheep, and then we're going to sing the story that goes along with that, okay? I want to sing the song first because throughout the book, the lyrics or the words change in each verse, but the melody or tune of the song stays the same. So as long as you know the melody of the song, you can just read the words, because I'll have my phone looking at my book, hopefully close enough, so you'll be able to follow along and sing with me, okay? I'm going to be playing my ukulele that I'm just learning how to play. All the time we've been off school and the many weeks that we couldn't go anywhere, I thought, well, I'm going to learn some new things so I'm not just sitting here bored, and I'm making good use of my time. So I started crocheting, but that did not work very well. So then I got a ukulele, and I actually got two so my granddaughters can learn to play along with me. So this is a ukulele. For those of you who don't know, it's kind of a small guitar. Because see these fingers? They're too short and I can't play the guitar. So this little skinny neck is just right for my little stubby fingers. So here we go. We're going to play and sing Baa Baa Black Sheep. If I mess up on my ukulele, please don't make fun of me because I'm just learning. Here we go. One for my master, one for the dame, one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. I think I heard some of you singing with me. It sounded pretty good. Now are you ready for me to sing the book with you? I hope so, because here we go. Baa Baa Black Sheep, as told and illustrated by Iza Trapani. Oh, that black sheep's going to be doing some knitting, isn't she? Do any of you know how to knit? Look at all that snow. Now we know where our snow went that we didn't get this winter, don't we? That black sheep was hoarding it all away. For sweet Celia with love. Look at all those colors. I see red and yellow and green and blue and purple and a lilac color. Whatever she makes ought to be pretty and colorful. Here we go, sing along with me. Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for the master, one for the dame, one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. Oh, there are some of her neighbors waving as they walk by. They're getting their wool, aren't they? Bet that's the master and the dame and the little boy who lives down the lane. She's sharing her wool, isn't she? Baa 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 Black Sheep, have you any milk? Creamy, cold, and smooth as silk. We spilled our milk, now what will we do? Please fill our cups and we'll purr for you. Aren't they so cute, little kitties? Do you think she's going to give them some nice milk? Goodness, no, my shelves are very bare. No, sir, none in there. Oh, poor little kitties, they're hungry. Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any slop? I've just finished my last drop. I'll waste away if I don't eat soon. One nibble ought to hold me till noon. I've never seen a pig with pearls on, have you? Silly pig, there is no slop in sight. No, sir, not one bite. That piggy looks like she said, huh, well. Look, her pot is bare, isn't it? I think that poor little sheep, she must be hungry too. What do you think? What is this animal? A horse? Let's see what the horse wants. Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any hay? Name your price and I will pay. I'd like to buy 2 bales, maybe 3. I will get my money, just wait and see. No, I don't have any hay for sale. No, sir, not one bale. Oh, that horse doesn't look very happy either, does it? Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any bones? How my hungry belly groans. Dogs cannot live on dry food alone. Oh, won't you please just toss me a bone? That doggy is begging awfully pretty, isn't he? Heavens, no, I have no bones for you. No, sir, none to chew. Oh, goodness, he looks like he might bite her, doesn't he? He is not very happy. Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any seed? Kindly help a friend in need. Early this morning, squirrels came by, knocked down my feeder, ate my supply. No, I don't have any seed, my dear. No, sir, none in here. She has a little bit of everything else, it looks like, though, doesn't it? Why do you think she's not sharing? Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any cheese? May I have some pretty, please? Crackers taste yucky after a while. A hunk of Swiss would make me smile. Whoops, Miss England messed that line up, didn't she? Look at that long. What is she making? Holy cow. It's not any cheese though, is it? No, I don't have cheese of any kind. No, sir, none you'll find. Oh, that little mouse crossed his arms and he is not happy. She's not going to have any friends left, is she? Baa Baa Black Sheep, won't you tell us why? No is always your reply. A little kindness you've never shown. Too mean to give a poor dog a bone. Knit all day is all you ever do. Boo, boo, black sheep, shame on you. Oh my goodness. What in the world? Look at all that nice stuff. Baa Baa Black Sheep, what a great surprise. We cannot believe our eyes. We all assumed that you didn't care, that you were selfish and wouldn't share. Now we see, and wow, are we impressed. You gave that which you give best. Look, she made a scarf for the horse, mittens for the kittens, is that a sweater for the mouse? Shirt, a hat. Oh my goodness. Aw, that was so nice, and now they're all friends again. And here's the music that we just sang. The end. Well, I hope you enjoyed my story. For a craft to go along with it, you can get an adult to help you get onto Pinterest, and you can search for sheep crafts, and you can learn how to make your own sheep out of toilet paper rolls, out of a piece of paper, which is the easiest. You can get a piece of paper and trace your hand, and then your fingers will be the legs, and your thumb will be the head. You can put googly eyes or just draw eyes on it. And then if you have cotton balls, you can paste them to the back of your hand, and you have your own sheep. Thanks for stopping by at the Adams County Public Library Storytime. We'll see you next time. Bye.